Hey guys, it's Steve here at Hankster's Hot Rods, and what we have for you today is a beautiful 1988 Chevrolet Camaro. And we're going to do a walk around on, go over the exterior points and so on of the vehicle. Starting at the front, first thing you notice, it is black. It's got the silver ground effects going the whole way around. The paint is really nice on this car. A couple of spots I'll try to point out what I see here, but overall condition is very nice, very shiny. Next thing you notice is down here, we do have the stock wheels. They are stock the aluminum Camaro rally wheels with the black center caps. Again, that is front and back. Moving on back here to our first gap, driver's side door to fender. Very even going down. Nice and even, our body lines line right up here. And of course we do got the side body molding here, which is also in black. And then like I said, there's our silver ground effects going around. We do have the dual body color sport mirrors on both sides. Our windshield driver's side and our driver's side glass here is in great condition. The glass on this car is really nice. No chips and cracks. Another thing you notice as we come back, this is a T-top car. So we've got the removable T-top roof panels, and the glass on them also is very, very nice. Coming back to our second gap, driver's side quarter to door, very nice and even going down. You see our molding lines up very nicely, and our body line also lines up great. We do have a couple little spots right here, indentations there, but overall very nice right there, not really that noticeable. Opening up the door here, see our door jambs are in excellent condition. Interior is really nice on this car. Console's in really great shape. The dash, instrument cluster, dash pad is in great condition. It is have pretty much all stock in there. Beautiful shape. It's a very low miles car. It is 17,000 original miles on this car, so not much usage. Moving along, coming on to the back here. Our back hatch glass, you do have rear defrost here. Back hatch glass is in great condition, no chips and cracks. That's the overall theme of everything on the car. Is very, very nice. Back to the hatch here, we do have the trunk-mounted rear wing with the quarter extensions on this car because it does have the ground effect kit on it. Back bumper cover here is also in just really great shape, as is the bottom lip for the ground effects there. What we're going to do now is I'm going to open up the hatch here. And coming back here to the hatch, you can see interior of the floor here, carpet, plastic, back of the seats is just outstanding condition. It's very, very nice shape. We do have the leather GMT top bag here, which I'll lift up. You can see the carpet below the bag is very, very nice. And then we do have the mud flaps, the Camaro mud flaps. If you'd like to install those, they do come with the vehicle. This does have the electric hatch lock here. You just push the hatch down and then it locks it itself. It pulls it down and does that for you. Another option on this car. Also, before I move along, our rear tail lights, lenses are in just outstanding condition. You can see the colors, just the amber and the reds here and the clears just pop because they're so clean and in such great condition. It's like a new vehicle. Coming around to the side here, address the paint again. Paint, they said overall is very, very nice. You got a scratch here and there, but it's really great condition. Coming up to our first gap, passenger side, quarter to door, very even going down. See our molding lines right up there, and our body lines line up great. Coming along here, passenger side glass, great condition, no chips and cracks. And also the T-top on this side as well. Just glass is really nice on this car. What we're going to do now is open up the passenger side so you can see the interior from this point of view. Again, the door jambs are in great shape. Seats are in great shape. Console is really nice. Dash pad's in great. You just see it's pretty much preserved. Moving along here to our second gap passenger side. Passenger side fender to door. Pretty even going down, nice and even. Molding lines right up, and our body lines line right up very well. Passenger side of windshield, no chips and cracks. Our hood gap, whole way around, is really nice on both sides. Nice and even going down. Coming up to the front here, our front bumper cover, our front fascia, really great shape. The grill's in nice shape. The silver is beautiful. It does have also, I should mention, it's got this silver pinstripe above the ground effects. That does go the whole way around the car. We do have on this vehicle, as you have noticed, the X-Stang headlight covers. These are Velcro, so they're removable, of course. You take them off at night. They just pull right off, and that is on both sides. Gives it that sporty, menacing look there. It goes with the black paint. What I'm going to do now is pop the hood, and we'll go over everything in the engine bay. Under the hood here, we do have the numbers matching 305 Chevrolet small block that came with this car when it was purchased, or manufactured, I should say. We have the stickers here under the hood, your vapor emission stickers, all of that is still there. It does have air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, stock aluminum intake. This is throttle body fuel injected, so no carburetor on this one, it is fuel injected. Pretty much all stock under here as it was made. Very nice condition under the hood. You've got all of our hoses, all our equipment, our emissions equipment is all still there. Really just a time capsule here. Great condition. You can see our rad support is in great shape. Our aprons, shock towers are in amazing condition. It's just a very well preserved vehicle. What we're going to do now, guys, is pop the hood, and not pop the hood, raise it up, and we're going to go through the undercarriage and all the components under there. Hey guys, we got our Camaro up in the air, and what we're going to do is we're going to go through the undercarriage as we normally do, and starting at the front as we usually do. Suspension under here, our shocks, control arms, and so on, all look to be a stock style. With the mileage on this car, probably are stock. Everything looks great under here. We do have a front sway bar. Disc brakes in the front, drum brakes in the back, 215, 65, 15 tires the whole way around. And as I had mentioned, we do have the aluminum rally wheels, the stock wheels, whole way around as well. Front cross member looks really good. No holes or rust in there. Our oil pan on our 305 looks really good there. Our rear main seal, our transmission pan seal, and our output seal, nice and dry. I don't see any leaks in any of those. We do have the exhaust comes down as a stock would off the manifolds, duals into one, into our catalytic converter, back into our muffler, which is a dual outlet, and goes out the back with the twin pipes, which we'll go over as we get back further. Our front frame sections. Look really good. Coming back, our flooring, of course we've got our vent here, our drain here, drain there. Our floor underneath this car is amazing. It is just in beautiful condition. As you'll see in the pictures, it is as it is in the pictures. The floor definitely looks all original. It's just beautiful. Here's all your embossments here. Here's your embossments here. As you can see, we've got our heat shield here. The floor is not even coated. It's not painted over. It's not, doesn't have rust coating sprayed over it. It is just great condition, or underproofing as coating, as I meant to say there. None of that is just covering anything. It's just beautiful. You can see it. It's really in great shape. Coming back here, as I said, you got your catalytic converter. That's all in nice shape. You got the balanced drive shaft. Our bushings here on our torque arm looks really good. Our mounting points back here look really good. Coming back to the back here, our links mounting points. All looks really good. And again, I'm going to mention the floor here. It is really nice. It's just beautiful under here. Up and under, up above our drive shaft, everywhere the floor is just amazing on this car. Here's our e-brake cables coming up from the front there and going to both wheels. We do also have a rear sway bar on this vehicle as well, stock style shocks and coils. We do have the drum brakes on the back, as I'd said, the disc brakes on the front. Coming back here, our seal on our 10-volt rear and our input seal at the differential all look really good. I don't see any leaks there. Up above our differential, our floor, again, I was going to say it again, it's really great shape. Our fuel tank looks to be in great condition. Our mounting points up there are very, very nice. Back here we got a dual outlet muffler, so we got the single pipe comes in and then the dual pipes come out and they exit at the back and dump down below the rear bumper. Our other link here, mounting points look really good. Not too flashy, as in add-ons. All looks to be pretty much looks to be all stock. It's just great condition under here. The floor is amazing, really nice shape. What we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to drop it down, start the engine so you can hear it running.